Are you one of those people who are tired of the wood trim in the interior of their Tesla Model Y or Model 3? Well, I'm getting tired of it. I've been driving my Model Y for 3.5 years now, and I'm really getting sick of looking at it. Lately, I've been driving the new Model Y more often, and I really like it, especially because the interior no longer has this old-fashioned wood trim. So I thought, since I want to keep driving my car for a while longer, and I'm actually very happy with my performance model and the new Model Y didn't really bring any major changes, that I should at least spruce up my existing Model Y a bit. And after a lot of hesitation for a few years now actually, I've finally decided to cover my wood trim with a carbon fiber look. In this video I'll show you how it's done, what it looks like in the end, and whether I can recommend it or not. So stay tuned, we'll get started right after the intro. Hey guys, welcome to Smart to Drive, great to have you with us. I've got the carbon fiber parts right here in the box. I had them sent to me from TL Yard to test them out for you. As always, there's my discount code, SMART2DRIVE. With it, you can currently get a 27% discount on the retail price if you want to order this trim for yourself, or you can check out many other products for your Tesla at TL Yard. The discount code is valid for various products. You'll always find the current discount code for the time in the video description. But now I'm going to install it. It's very cold outside. I don't think this is the best temperature for applying these parts, but I've already made it nice and cozy in the car. To start here on the door, we'll just pull off the strips right here. It's really quite cold. My fingers are pretty frozen, as you can see. So if the adhesive strips stick in this weather, they'll definitely stick even better in the summer. So it's really a two-sided, double-sided adhesive tape. And then the same thing here again. And now we'll just carefully place the strip here. Of course, you have to be careful because it starts sticking immediately to align it correctly right from the start. You can slide it nicely underneath here. And now apply a little pressure. There, now it's on. And now smooth it out a bit. Of course, it helps if you warm up the material, because then it sticks better overall and is a bit more flexible. Okay, and now I'm going to close the door and let the heat run on it for a bit so it gets really nice and warm and can stick well. I'll do the same thing on the other side, and then we'll do the main piece in the middle on the large dashboard. Then comes the second side. I'll just press everything down firmly again, just in case. Okay, so now we'll remove the adhesive strips here again, just like on the first door. So I think you can really do this pretty well on your own. The dashboard will be a bit more difficult in the middle because the part is significantly longer. But it's really so thin. At first I thought, this probably won't be any good because it might look a bit like it's just been stuck on. But I have a feeling it will look really good and not like a DIY job. Because that was my concern, which is why I haven't done it until now, because it just looks a bit like a DIY job. But I think now that I see the material and how nice and thin it is, it shouldn't look like a DIY job. I'm curious to see. Alright, and now we'll put this one on. Again, slide it nicely underneath. It's important that the corner fits well under there. So push it in a little and then press it on and stick it down. Go ahead and apply some pressure and then rub it for a little while to warm up the material and the adhesive a bit. Especially if you're doing it like me here in the winter at 3 degrees outside temperature. So it's actually not recommended in this weather, but I have no other choice. I just received it. If you talk a big game, you have to follow through even in the cold. All right, now for the long piece. Here too, we'll first peel off the adhesive strips. So, and now just carefully hold it in place here as well. It's also important not to accidentally stick it on somewhere. I'll open the door, that makes it a bit easier because they also clip in on the sides. I'd say I'll hold it at the back first. So, and now just press it on gently and nicely, piece by piece, one at a time. Exactly. It's about the corner here. And here, oh, that looks wonderful. It fits wonderfully. Up here too. The great thing is you can see it even clicks. because it's really under a nice amount of tension here. And that's also important so that the whole part fits on nicely. And now just press it down firmly. And now I'll also turn on the heat right away so the adhesive gets nice and warm and soft, because I don't want it to fall off immediately in this cold. Very nice, I like it. Short and sweet, how do you guys like it? I really like it, and I'm glad I did it. By the way, you can get these carbon elements just like I have them, in matte or also in high gloss, and there are other colors at TL Yard. Feel free to have a look around, there's a discount code. And if you liked the video, feel free to leave a thumbs up. And if you don't want to miss tests like this in the future and other videos about e-mobility, feel free to subscribe to the channel and activate the little bell. That way you won't miss any more videos. Thanks for watching. Feel free to check the video description for the discount code and other discount coupons for you. Thanks a lot, take care, and ciao ciao.